Alright guys, in today's video I got a Honda Accord here. So this car has about like 90,000 miles and you should be changing your belt like every 60,000 miles. This is the original belt from the dealer. You can get it for around like 60 some bucks. Alright, and the job should cost you around like 150 and that's with labor. But we're gonna change this. This is if you have a 2013 to 2017, the part number is the same and the procedure is the same. Okay, this is for the alternator. Before you do anything, okay, draw a little diagram like I did right here. Okay, I have the alternator up here. Then you got the idler pulley, tensioner, crank, and the AC compressor. Okay, so you don't lose the track of the routing of the belt. So I'm gonna take my camera and we're gonna go over there. We're not gonna lift the car. Also have something long like the screwdriver. This is gonna guide us to put the belt on. So let's get this job going. All right, so let me show you what we're gonna be doing. Okay, right down here, this is the tensioner right there. Okay, that's a number 17. So your belt goes around this and idle pulley. It goes around the water pump, and you got the crank pulley back there, and the AC compressor, and the alternator. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this gear wrench to push the tensioner. So simply, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on. I made a little mistake. So this is not an idler pulley, this one right here. This is a part of the tensioner. So when you pull the tensioner, the idler pulley, the pulley itself is part of the tensioner, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be yanking this towards this way. And at the same time, we're gonna be slide the belt off. Okay, you can choose two things. Either slide it off this or the alternator. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my friend help me. He's gonna take the belt off this pulley right there. And since I'm holding the camera with the other hand, so simply I am gonna yank on this tensioner right there. So I'm gonna pull it towards the front of the car. Okay, you ready? All right, just be careful with your hands. You don't hurt yourself. And there you go, the belt is loose. That's how simple it is. Now the hard part is us guiding this belt all over. But let's take out this belt. All right, here comes the belt. There you go. This thing has 90,000 miles on it. It still looks good, but you should just change it anyway. Okay, so here's our belt. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna slide this belt on and I'm gonna put it everywhere, then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so what I did was I put the belt on the crank pulley from right here and I slipped it all the way down, and then I use this long screwdriver to guide it on. And then I got the belt going around the pump. All we need to do is put it back on this pulley. Once we yank it, make sure your AC compressor belt is on. I mean, the same belt is on properly on all the pulleys. And slowly, we're gonna just pull that tensioner and put the belt on. All right, I switched things up. I put the belt on this idler pulley here, and I'm gonna slip it onto the alternator because it kept on slipping off. And it's pretty much almost in there. And hopefully, I have enough space to work with here. And make sure you don't hurt your fingers. And there you go, the belt goes on, and you can take off your tool. All right, so now the belt is on. Make sure it's on good on this pulley here. It's sitting good. It's sitting good here. Make sure it's right under the pump. You see our pump is off. It's not perfectly on. A lot of people would crank it and it will adjust itself, but I don't want to do that. And the crank pulley is pretty good. So only place it's off is on the belt on the water pump. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna just pull on this, and then I'm gonna have my friend here help me. He's gonna pull the tensioner for me. Okay, so if you got a friend to help you, that'd be good. Okay, can you pull this for me, my friend? Slowly, okay? Pull it. More. There you go, that's it, let it go. There you go. We slip the belt on, and it should be good. And make sure your belt is on perfectly good. So it's gotta be good here, good there, good on the water pump, good on the AC compressor, and the crank. Okay, just take a double look and it should be good. After that, crank it, look at it, everything should be perfectly fine. All right, so that's how you're gonna replace the belt. All right, so we're gonna crank this. Just pay attention to the belt. Shouldn't be slipping off anywhere and it shouldn't be uneven anywhere. There you go, perfect. Belt is good everywhere. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching.